wanna test me. What y'all know about me? It's misunderstood ever since I had a dream. Now they catching on like a new disease. Know the blessings came when I decided I believe. Before I had a dollar, I always knew my worth. For real, hey. I've been getting paid, this rocket show in New York. For real, hey. Thank my mother for the love, thank my dad for the support. And thank you to myself that I put in all this work. Thank you to my friends and the ones that lost. Sacrifices, I put myself through a lot. I'm growing quickly, overworking, searching for a light within me. I had so many no's, they ain't leave me a choice. Had to learn how to fight, just to use my. I thank the ones who made me and the ones who caught me the pain. Cause you the inspiration. I've been living this way, I'm into fashion. Know that I invented my style, ripped off so much I need that trademark now. I'm inspired by God, I'm inspired by life. Shit, I was 15 planning how to do this right. Still the same kid, hopping on another flight. On my black cashback, I ride through the. Y'all wanna test me, what y'all know about me? Misunderstood ever since I had a dream. Now they catching on like a new disease. No, I know the blessings came when I decided I believe. Before I had a dollar, I always knew my worth. For real, hey. But I've been getting paid, this rocket show in New York. For real, hey. Always knew I would end up. Better have the both say it. If you owe the cause, better play it. Speak the words that create it. And I ain't antisocial, just obsessed with greatness. Cause I don't want your friendship if you can't feel what I'm saying. I don't want your respect, I've been living good, who knows what's next. This life is a game I never learned how to play, I'm just pulling from the deck. And I feel a change coming my way, I can hold a regret. Ain't controlled by pain, no, I do what I feel and I mean what I say. Woo, woo, woo. Always knew I would end up. Better had the boss say it. Time flying by, we've been racing. Wish I could show you the life I created. And I always get defensive, feeling like you never got the message. People go and talk behind your back, hearing words I just want not to mention. And I don't want your respect, I've been living good, who knows what's next. This life is a game I never learned how to play, I'm just pulling from the deck. And I feel a change coming my way, I can hold a regret. Ain't controlled by pain, no, I do what I feel and I mean what I say. Outwork me, words can't hurt me. I don't spend my life looking down on my phone, on these comment sections, self-reflections. Instagram gon' kill your soul. Right and left is y'all so desperate. My opinion is my own. We're addicted, are you listening? I feel like I'm all alone. Hey, Yeah, a lot of blood up in my foot. I couldn't count how many losses it took. Too many. One day I'm gonna change the world. Till then it's just me and my words. Eating good, I'm worried about my health. I'll be the first to look after myself. One day I'm gonna change the world, ay. Till then it's just me on my own. Floating around the room, it's easy to get lost in my head. So much more to do, I ain't never relaxing. Changing my ways, getting rid of distractions. Moving past them, man, these people think I lost it. Took my own road, I ain't never went to college. Family switched homes and my brother moved to Boston. Found my own swag, made an album and I dropped. I gave my whole life for the one I've been living. I would rather die before I live my life without the sound. Was born with a vision, every day it's getting clear. Playing my song, she been dancing in the mirror. And I've been on the road, they gon' say he been turning up. I'ma be rich for the day, I ain't 21. Everything that I've been, years I spent striving. Everything that happened for a reason, know my angels keep smiling. A lot of blood up in my foot. I couldn't count how many losses it took. One day I'm gonna change the world, till then it's just me and my words. Eating good, I'm worried about my health. I'll be the first to look after myself. Know that one day I'm gonna change the world, till then it's just me on my own. Knowing this promise, I'm just being honest. In 12th grade I got laughed off stage. 6 months later, look my heroes in the face. That's why I had to be confident. Might have been cocky, but I was just protecting myself. It's everything I saw turned real. I know why I'm here, I ain't listened to nobody else. And I always had a pure heart that should set me apart. Know the smile never leaving my face. I've been through some pain that shit made me today. Look my problems straight in the face. The table's always gonna turn. Every day I learned there's a lot of work I do on myself. Future Grammy winner MJ, I'm thriller. I'ma die with generational wealth. Enough money for my kids to eat. Way more money than that. Hey, no, okay. And it's all be good, no, we all do good. No, we'll all be okay. Shit, a lot of blood up in my foot. I couldn't count how many losses it took. One day I'm gonna change the world. Till then it's just me and my words. Eating good, I'm worried about my health. I'll be the first to look after myself. And one day I'm gonna change the world. Till then it's just me on my own. All alone now. All alone now. Hey, on my own now. All alone. The sound of Harrison Borts.